Let us paint together beautiful baby birds using watercolor. There is no need for any sketch in this painting. We just need to follow some tricks to paint these birds effortlessly. I start to paint a circle using a light value of the pigment, which is a mix of Prussian blue, Camboge yellow and burnt umber. After painting a circle, I paint a small circle for the head of the bird. Next, we have to connect the small circle with large circle. That is, we have to connect the head with the body. For that, I make a small dent at the both sides as in the video. We have created the whole structure of the bird using two circles. Now I'm using Prussian blue to paint the head and feather of the bird. Next, I'm mixing Prussian blue with rose madder and burnt umber to paint the tail of the bird. While painting the tail of the bird, you can see that each stroke is in the form of elongated rectangle shape. Also, these three strokes differ by color values. Next, I mix Prussian blue with rose madder to paint the shadowed part for the tail of the bird. Using the same mix, I paint the foot, beak, and eye of the bird. I'm mixing rose madder with small amount of Prussian blue and using the light value of this mix, I paint the second bird. Initially, I paint a large circle for the body of the bird. Overlapping the circle, I paint a small circle to paint the head portion of the bird. Now I connect this small circle with large circle by making a small dent near the neck of the bird. By mixing burnt umber with Prussian blue, we get a different kind of green hue which is used to paint the feather of the bird. Add this dark green hue when the body part of the bird is still wet. Then, using the mix of rose madder and Prussian blue, I paint the foot, beak, and eye of the bird. The structure of the first and second bird are the same, but by placing the beak and eye at different position, you can make a bird to look completely different. That is, they are looking in different directions. For the third bird, I am using gamboge yellow to paint the large circle. I position the small circle at the left side, so this third bird is slightly different in structure compared to the first and second one. I used Prussian blue to paint the head of the bird. To paint the feather, I used dark value of Prussian blue. I'm using Prussian blue to paint the foot, beak, and eye of the bird. The first bird is completely dry. I just wet the belly part of the bird and I add a light value of Prussian blue at the belly part to give a three-dimensional effect for the bird. Next we have to paint cast shadow for these three birds. For that I first wet the area between the feet and then I use a mix of Prussian blue with rose madder to paint the cast shadow. We reached the end part of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this painting process. If you like this painting, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.